going on, beautiful people, and welcome back to Piece of Happiness 101. And today we have another phenomenal video for you guys. So okay, let me get this straight. We've been in a relationship together for the longest, probably 2-3 years, 5 years, whatever the situation is. I decided to get out of the relationship and cheat on you, start another relationship, or mess around with a bunch of girls, okay? So you happen to find out about that. Not only you didn't really fuss at me, but you went in and fight the girl that I'm cheating on you with. What? Can somebody tell me what sense does that make? I'm sitting here. I'm the one causing all the trouble. Like, I'm literally at fault. I'm the one you should be leaving. Like, if I'm cheating on you, I'm the one you should be leaving. That's basically what I'm thinking, right? Oh, I'm cheating. If she cut me, we're done, right? After everything you've done for me, after everything I put you through, I ended up being the one cheating on you. But surprisingly, you are going to the girl that I'm cheating on you with and fight her because she's breaking our home. No wonder why so many men cheat. No wonder why so many people cheat, man. And it's not just a man thing. Woman does that too. Some guy would find out that the girl is cheating on them, but they'll go back into the relationship with the person, and now you're wondering why so many people are getting diseases. So many people are still cheating. You're leaving me, who's causing the cheating. I'm the reason why there's another person in the relationship. You're leaving me, like, all this. Yeah, something gotta change, man. If it's the reason why the relationship is no longer what it used to be, because he brought somebody into that relationship, 1 + 1 = 2. If you add another one, that's 3. A relationship requires 2 people, not 17. Why is this so difficult? How is this so difficult? Why are we even talking about this? This is 2020. How are you able to even use technology, but you can't even think straight because of a relationship? And I know emotions gonna be involved, but yo, here's the problem. The dude who been cheating on you is the problem, not the girl. Because 9 out of 10, the people that's cheating never actually tell the person on the outside that they have a full relationship. 9 out of 10, they'll tell you, yeah, I'm having trouble with my girl, we're no longer together. Or I'm no longer with my dude, we had to take some time apart, that's why I'm here. Sometimes you don't even know if the person is even in a relationship. And sometimes it's just as surprising to know that, yo, you've been in a relationship this entire time and you told me you weren't in a relationship? And for some reason, the entire time, you're leaving the guy or the girl who's cheating on you to fight the person is cheating on you with. This is the I don't understand it. I'll probably never understand it. But yo, y'all gotta do better, man. Y'all gotta do better. There's no way that you're gonna leave the person who's breaking your home, who's breaking your heart, who's putting you in a difficult spot to fight somebody that is cheating on you with. Like, yo, come on. And I know some people gonna be like, yeah, sometimes they know that the dude's in a relationship. Yo, regardless of how you see it, the person that you had an agreement with is the person that you're with. Point blank, period. That's what it is. The person you had an agreement with is the person that you're in a relationship with, not the outsider. Nah, it's supposed to be the two of you guys. If there was something, some void, you should have discussed it on the inside, not going on the outside and find some extra meat. Nah, it don't work like that. And if somebody were to be blamed, it's not the person on the outside. It's the person you're in a relationship with. Yes, if you were to leave, you leave the person you were in a relationship with. If you were to argue with, you were supposed to argue with the person in a relationship. If you were to whoop, you need to whoop the person you're in a relationship with. Not trying to have a fight with somebody you don't even know who they are. Like, come on. Shit to 2020, man. We don't want to be dealing with the same shit in 2021. Leave that in 2020, man. Come on. Leave it in 2020. I'm begging y'all, leave that in 2020. If he's the one cheating on you, you leave his ass. That's it. Leave him. If she's the one cheating on you, you leave her ass. That's it. You don't go out there, fight somebody that you don't even know. Next thing you know, you get knocked out and now you're looking stupid just because you didn't talk to the person you were supposed to talk to. You know what I mean? Like, come on. Leave that shit in 2020, man. Start 2021 with something fresh. All right, we don't want to be out here talking about the same thing over and over again. Just leave it. Like, just leave it out. Don't even bring it back. Don't think about it. If this is the situation that you're going through right now, Just think straight. Watch this video and understand one thing. If it's the one going out of his way to cheat on you, here's the problem. If she's the one going out of her way to cheat on you, she's the problem. Nobody else. Not the people telling you that you need to leave her. Not the people telling you that you need to leave him. He's the problem. She's the problem. Whoever's cheating, they're the problem. Not somebody on the outside. Not a complete stranger that you've never probably met. Not somebody who's texting you. If he's entertaining people in his text message, here's the problem. Because regardless of how it is, people gonna approach you. Like, people gonna approach you. The way you react to that approach, that's what it means to be entertaining the wrong crowd. Yes. The way you react to that approach, anybody could talk to you. Anybody could tell you you're fine. Anybody could tell you you're beautiful. The way you react to that approach, that's basically what's gonna put the top on the icing. If you have a girl, if you have a dude, if they don't want cheating on you, you don't go out of your way and fight the person is cheating on you with. Just that simple. Maybe this message is not for you. Maybe this is for somebody that you know. Share that message. Send it to your friend. You might not be able to tell your friend directly. Send them that message. They'll find out. They'll understand now. They'll understand exactly what you're trying to tell them. All right? Just do what you gotta do to help somebody out with it. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you guys who've been with us from the get-go. If you just found this channel, I'm sure there are plenty of videos that are probably going to catch your interest. If you happen to find something that you really like, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.